Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Barry J. And for today, I'm going to share how Course Hero works. Actually, I was approved earlier this afternoon in this Course Hero working online tutorial. So I didn't expect that I would be higher because I was waiting for this for almost 2 months, I think. And I was thinking like I won't be higher, but fingers crossed. Then I received the message now. Congratulations, your application to become a Course Hero tutor is approved. You're now a member of Course Heroes Global Community Tutors and can earn money by answering students' questions. So this is so good because you can just do this at home, anywhere in your house. You can just use your mobile phone or your laptop if you have. So now let's go to start answering questions. So it's here. I already answered core values. I already read. Best practices is done. Academic integrity is done. And now this is how tutoring works. So how questions work. Questions are open to answer for 24 hours, but you'll want to answer them quickly since multiple tutors can post their answers before the question closes. A quicker response increases the likelihood that your answer will be selected as most helpful by the student. This is how you get paid for tutoring on Course Hero. After students receive all of the answers provided by the tutors, they have 24 hours to select the best answer. If a tutor's answer is chosen, so that's your answer, that tutor will be paid out 100% for the question. Wow! How to collect your earnings? Use the reward section of your account to view your earnings. Any questions you receive payment for will appear in your pending transactions table. After 14 days, payments will move to the effective transaction sections. Once this occurs, you may withdraw earnings with a minimum reward balance of $20 via PayPal. So please make sure the email you entered through your tutor earnings tab matches your registered PayPal email to ensure payment. So guys, make sure to have your own PayPal if you will apply in Course Hero because they will send your earnings or your salary through that electronic money machine, electronic app. So if you have one more question, you can just go to the FAQ tab on the Course Hero dashboard. So this is how question work. And one more thing here, in core values, Course Hero don't allow cheating here, and they don't like copying answers from the website. So it's a big no-no for them. So if you will do that, you'll be blocked automatically by Course Hero. So guys, you already know how Course Hero works. So this is only a small tips and hints. So if you want to try to be a Course Hero, just do it. Just apply and maybe your luck will be in here. So again, thank you so much for watching for my short video about Course Hero. So I will take the quiz afterwards. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you.